Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will walk you through how to trade futures on Bybit. Step by step, we'll cover what futures are, setting up your account, placing trades, managing risk, and key beginner tips. So stay till the end. So what are futures? Futures trading lets you sp- speculate on speculate on the price of crypto assets like Bitcoin or Ethereum without actually owning them. You can go long if you believe price will go up. Go short you if you expect it to fall. Bybit also lets you use leverage up to 100x, but be careful. Higher leverage means higher risks. To get started, sign up at bybit.com. Complete email or phone verification. Complete KYC for higher withdrawal limits. Deposit funds, either crypto or fiat via card. Once your card is ready, go to the derivatives tab and select USDT, perpetual or inverse perpetual depending on the asset and margin type you prefer. Here's a quick breakdown of the video trading screen. Order book shows, go to Binance dashboard or markets. Order books shows buy and sell orders, charts powered by TradingView. Order panel where you place trades. Positions panel shows often trades PNL liquidation price. Take some time to explore it before placing a live trade. So demo trading section. Let's place a trade. Select your pair like BTC and USDT. From here, choose order type like market, instant at current price, limit only triggers at your set price, set leverage, start with 2x or 3x as a beginner. Choose quantity, click buy long or short, sell short. And confirm the order. To manage your trade, set a stop loss to limit losses, set take profit to secure gains. You can manually close the position anytime. Watch your liquidation price. If price hits it, your position is auto closed. Bybit also offers isolated and cross margin. Use isolated if you want to limit risk to just that one trade. Here are some essential tips for beginners. Start with testnet. Practice trading on testnet.bybit.com. Register for a testnet account. Enter your email address, then verify your email, then click overview, then request test coins, then asset and request. Then go to trade section, spot trading, then from here use choose the USDT coin. Now transfer spot from derivatives. Use low leverage. 2x to 5x is ideal. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your capital per trade. Always set stop loss and take profit. Don't trade based on emotion. Follow a plan. Learn to read basic charts and indicators. Futures can be rewarding, but they are risky, so go slow. You now know the basics, and that's it. You now know the basics of trading futures on Bybit, from setting up your account to placing your first trade. So, if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment if you want an advanced futures strategy video next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.